This workflow is going to allow you to set up a location-specific collection. So this is great for point-of-sale merchants that have multiple retail locations. And so basically the way it works is that we can trigger on product updated, loop over all the locations. So in my case, we've just got 2 locations in my test store here, Mesa HQ and retail store, and then grab the inventory for that particular location for that variant. And then if there is inventory, go ahead and tag it with this tag. So in stock at, and that's the name of the location. So that is what is generating these tags. So in stock at Mesa HQ, you can see this one has available inventory at the Mesa HQ location. The retail store location, it does not, so there's no tag for that one. And then in your collections, you can set up a collection for each of those locations. And then in the definition of the collection, you're just going to say product tag is equal to in stock at, and then the name of that location. So in order to set up those collections, that is pretty much it. The remove tag here is just clearing out the tag if it does exist, so that if a product was previously had that tag, and then let's say the inventory got to 0, this would trigger, it would remove the tag, and then it wouldn't add it back in. So that's what that step is for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As always, you can download this on the automation demos section of the blog. You can download that workflow and try it out. If you need any help setting that up, feel free to reach out, let us know. Thanks.